World famous fruit by world famous families. My name is Neryem Flores, and I was 16 when I moved from Mexico to Wenatchee, Washington. It was just me and my mom, and our dreams packed in a suitcase. Coming to the US and not having anything was like starting a new life, and the only familiar thing to me was agriculture. My Aunt Rosa started at Stemilt in 1987 and has always been there for my mom and I. She gave us a place to stay in Washington. My mom started at Stemilt in 1988 and is actually in the photo of the first time Stemilt packed 1 million boxes. I remember her going back and forth between Mexico and Wenatchee taking care of her parents, because family has always been important to her. Working here with my mom and aunt has healed part of me who grew up seeing all the hard work that goes into picking and packing fruit. My family's sacrifices made my life possible. I started working full-time when I was 19 and have been able to take a lot off my mom's plate since. As a daughter, I feel so proud and blessed to support her the way she took care of me. I have a little boy who is 3 now, and my mom is able to stay home with him without working anymore. Looking back at all the experiences I've had has helped me be where I am today, and I think the future looks promising for our family.